Hello guys, it's Esosa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you another interesting way of making Nigerian stew without frying. First, I'll parboil my protein. I am using turkey for this recipe. I'll add some chopped onions, some bouillon cubes. I'll add some chopped fresh garlic and ginger, some salt, I'll add some chicken seasoning, some curry powder, bay leaves, non-aromatic seasoning, dried rosemary, dried parsley, dried shallots. I'll give that a good mix. I'll cook that for 5 minutes before adding water. I'll cover with a lid and cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, guys, my turkey is pretty much cooked now. I'll remove the turkey and then transfer into my air fryer. Next, let's prepare the Nigerian stew. So I have tomatoes in there. I've got scotch bonnet pepper, onions. I will chop the tomatoes into bits. Fresh garlic and ginger. So this right here, guys, one of my favorite. Just so you know, I use 3 tins of chopped tomatoes. Next, I'll add the chopped tomatoes, pepper, onions, and fresh garlic and ginger into the pot. I'll cook that for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, guys, I will turn down the heat, allow to cool down a bit. Next, I will transfer into a blender and blend. After blending, I'll pour the blended tomatoes into a pot. This method, guys, doesn't take long to cook. Before you know it, your Nigerian stew is ready. I'll cook that for 20 minutes. I cooked that for 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, guys. After 20 minutes, I'll go in with some vegetable oil. I'll add the chicken broth, some curry powder, add some bay leaves, add some seasoning cubes, some salt, as you can see, it's starting to thicken up now, but not ready yet. I will add the air-fried turkey. So my Nigerian stew is almost ready. How you know your Nigerian stew is ready is when you see oil on top of this stew. Then you know your Nigerian stew is ready, like well cooked. Did you see that, guys? My stew is well cooked now. Like you can see oil on top of the stew. You guys just look at that. Oh my goodness, I can cook, sha. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching up until this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Bye.